Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today we've got another one.
Not another one.
Yeah, another one. And you know what this one is? This is a vintage Homelite
Super 2.
Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, it's really nice. But the question is, does it run?
I'll tell you. I've seen this thing run, and this thing is a frickin' screamer. I think we ought to show them.
I don't know. We know it runs.
They need to see it run.
All right. Okay, folks. You asked for it. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. You know what? You're right. That thing is a screamer. I don't know who wouldn't want this in their collection, or...
I'm thinking about taking it home myself.
Well, you know what? It is for sale for a very reasonable price. And guys, you can buy this now. Just click on the link below for pictures and details of where and how to buy it. It'll be on your doorstep quicker than you can say chainsaw. This is one awesome chainsaw, guys. It's King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most. Woo!